I really don't even know how to respond to that. Says, can I get your YouTube thumbnail? Hmm. Damn, so thing with Bookmap is shit, this stream is completely gone, huh? This stream is completely gone for some reason. I got streaming on Twitch. You know what? Let me just mute this damn tab. It's crazy how as soon as you get on the damn app, it starts playing copyrighted music. Okay, man, these ads are killing it. And this ads will definitely kill you. Yeah, that 85 liquidity on ES is definitely a trap. That 85 liquidity is definitely a trap. That is definitely a trap. 85 is a trap. I'm thinking that R4, 72, 75 will probably be a great area to go short. And once we see that short, it's definitely going to start trending up. We're definitely going to start seeing a trend. Okay. I mean, all right. So, I mean, if you're going to look at this, I mean, we got, a big move down into a range. So we should always expect another big move down, which, could possibly happen once we get, yeah, that's more likely to happen right here. Or something like that. Something like this, probably. We'll see if this even holds. We'll see if this level holds because, yeah, we definitely could see another move down. Because I think before the market wants to take off, it wants to take out that low. It wants to retest this low at 35, probably even take it out a little bit. Yeah, I'm thinking that the market wants to take that out. Probably touch down here at 32, possibly. You know what? I'm actually going to put a limit down here. Let me see. Mm. 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 Hey, what's up, Smith? What's up? 120. Probably like 120 or something. 30. Mm, 6, 5, 3.
Oh shoot, hold up. Got to turn on my stuff. Can you hear me?
Mm,
Yo. Yo, can you hear me?
somewhat. The audio's, I can hear you, but the audio's low.
Okay, how about now?
Still the same.
Same.
Yeah. I
Same
mean, the
as
audio
low.
is just really low for whatever reason. Uh,
Hey, do we got a book map tonight?
dude, that shit's on
It's
Twitch, man. What is it called? Live book maps. Live book maps is I guess is right now the only thing on YouTube, but I'm watching it on Twitch. I gotta do is load up Twitch and put on thing with book maps, and he got both his streams on there.
my bad. I clicked off. I forgot I was gonna try to watch it on your Discord, but
He has it on. He has it on Discord.
yeah. I think he does. He normally see.
The last time I looked, I think he was only trading gold, but it could have changed since the last time I looked. Could have definitely changed. Yeah,
Twitch. Twitch.
yeah, Twitch, dude. It felt weird actually logging on to Twitch. Like it really did, I ain't gonna lie.
Buddy, okay.
Okay, so I'm looking at the Discord video channel, I don't know, voice channel, live stage. Yeah, he doesn't have anything streaming on. Oh, okay, man. These ads are, dude. Come on, man. And these ads are like a
What on
minute long.
Twitch?
These ads are like a minute long, dude. Okay, I'm sorry, but if, I can't deal with this when I'm trading. Like, dude, it in the ads will definitely pop up when you need it the most, dude. For real.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, dude.
Focusing on a key zone. What's his Twitch? Is it the same thing?
Yeah, this thing with bookmap.
Bookmap 2, or like he got two of them in here.
Yeah, it's one for ES and one for Nasdaq.
Oh shoot. I mean, gotta get it out to the people somehow, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, I know. But the ads are gonna kill it, dude. It's gonna kill it.
Yeah.
Because I mean, even on YouTube, all you gotta do is watch one ad and then the rest of the video. But it seems like this is like the second or third time an ad started playing. I was like, what? Twitch really trying to get that ad money.
You can't skip it on here either,
Nope,
huh?
you can't, dude. It's crazy. You can't skip shit.
Dang.
So yeah, so I'm looking at I don't know why live book maps one is so ugly, but hey, I mean it's the only one we got right now. So until Alex can figure it out.
Book maps.
Hmm. Yeah, he's not streaming it on Discord at all, which is weird. But yeah, Patrick Wheeler made about 200K on this stream the other day. And the crazy thing is, he didn't even mean to do it. He was trying to. I think he was up 100K. I think, if I'm not. But for whatever reason, Tradeovate wouldn't allow him to close out his position, which is like the most craziest and scariest thing in the world, being in your PA.
Imagine if that was his personal live account, not being able to close out.
Dude, that's crazy.
I'd be crying. This is torture I was talking about.
Yeah, you can't get out your position. You're up 200K. And you can't get out none of your positions. Take it, watch it. You can't close it. Yeah, I think we'll see a move down
Close.
here.
All right, so what are you thinking? What are your trade ideas? What are we looking at?
That shit on ES, I'm definitely going to set a limit down here at 33.75. Definitely with a 9-point stop with a 30-point target. 30 points. I'm gonna take profits along the way. Like I got some profits taken off at like I think 13 is the first target. Let me see. Let me look at this. Big ES stepper, baby. Big ES stepper. All right. So actually, I might just adjust those other targets. But these are just targets for right now until they need to be adjusted. But I think yeah, the first target comes off at 13 points. The second one comes off at 15. I might adjust that. 18. 4. Yeah, I might adjust these, man. I definitely might adjust these, but I'm definitely going to get in at this 33.75 level. Definitely. I really think the market wants to touch this low before going up. But if not, I mean, that's fine. But I do, like you said, that if you were long, I definitely would watch out for. I definitely would watch out for 72, 72-ish, 70, 72. Because we got that breaker structure. You saw they held it at 70. The bulls tried to get above it, but failed to do so. They used 70 as a resistance. They found support at 54, broke above it, found resistance at 85, and then they traded underneath it. So this whole little I mean, we could see we could see them trying to drop it also at 66, 63. I know you don't probably want to hear that, but they could. You could see a drop there, but I'm thinking that we will definitely see some bears up here at 74ish because you got that breaker structure at 72.50, so they could try to run it, but
80.
um, yeah, I might definitely have I might have my mm,
I
definitely
get
have
80. That's double
he's
the account on one contract.
hmm hopefully they don't do that crap. You said double the account on what? On one contract?
On one micro contract. This is a small account challenge
Mm.
for myself. Humbling myself. Trading micros, $100 account. Personal funded. I see some liquidity at 67 here. These micros. Dang.
Yeah. I mean, like I said, man, the ES is definitely easy to trade. I feel no, I mean, I can put 20, 30 contracts on the ES and not feel a thing. It's the NASDAQ that keeps me up at night. Oh, crap. Speaking of that, speaking of being kept up at night, I think I actually woke up screaming, dude. I think I woke up screaming.
How? What happened?
Dude, man, I was having a dream, of course, about, you know, being on the NQ. I went short. And on Friday, what happened on Friday? So I caught this short. Now, before I say that, I'm gonna say this. Yo, Top Steps Discord is basically Wall Street bets on Discord, dude. It's the energy in there is just straight gambling. I'm motherfuckers just gambling, dude. I love it though. I love that energy in there. But you know, I was in there. I was talking to a couple of guys, you know, shouting out the levels. This dude was in there, was like, damn, should we go long or short, long or short, long or short? I want a full port. I'm like, what? I'm gonna stay out of that one. Cause I was just waiting for this thing to retest the top of this range, and I went short. And of course, everybody told him to go long, and I was like, dude, what? Yeah, like, why? Do you not see this range right here? Like, they're coming into this range. They definitely gonna short this shit. And of course, he went long and blew the account. And then I was like, damn, dude, they set you up. And then someone responded and said that nah, they needed everybody needed their exit liquidity for their shorts. They said they needed the exit liquidity for their shorts. I was
That's
like, dude,
crazy.
and, you know, the kid, I mean, he's like a young kid gambling. It's hard. It's crazy that these kids are so young gambling, but throwing their life away. But he got another account, and it was literally about 10 minutes before close, and he was like, I'm a full port. Which way should I go? Which way should I go? I'm shorting. Now, because I took this short in the sim, I got two of my, actually, I think I might be still in this. Yeah, so I got all these targets hit. So I think I made about what 11 or 1200, like, because I was trading 15. I only had four left, and I took this short on Friday. And so I had a dream about this short. I had a dream that I was going to come back in, you know, Sunday. And it's the crazy enough, my dream is coming true. But I had a dream, and before uh, the market closed, the bulls kept buying it back up, buying it back up, buying it back up, buying it back up. And I was like, man, this short's going to work before the close. And then the market closed. And then we came back on Sunday open, and price was going to be all the way down here at 627. And so in my dream, I was like, no. And I was screaming that shit in my sleep and woke everybody. Because because we was on a stream together. I was like, no, because I think we was both in it. And we was like, no, it's not fair. No. We was waiting. We was in this short on Friday and it gaps down. But yeah, that was funny. I don't know. I ain't asked because I was kind of embarrassed. I was like, was I screaming in my dream last night? Was I screaming? Because I was screaming about damn dream. I was like, no, no, it's not fair. No. I was in that short. I deserved that. But but we'll
Oh,
see, man. We'll see. I think NQ got it to at least. I mean, we could see 40, 45. But then at the same time, no, R4 would be too high. If they, I mean, if they get to that point, they might as well, take out those highs. So yeah, I was able to catch that short on Friday, but I did peep that VWAP and the 200 EMA was like sitting right there. So I didn't really expect for all my targets to get hit at the end of the day, but the bulk of my position got hit. So that's cool. That's cool.
yeah. If
Dude,
ES don't break out here, I cut it.
damn, you see Bitcoin? Damn, Bitcoin gapped up. Damn, you see Bitcoin?
Yeah, I've been looking at it. It's up like, well, yeah. I
Bitcoin
think spot
futures?
price is up
Uh,
like, yeah. Spot price is up like 4K or something like that.
dude, what?
Futures, I took a glance at it. I was like, oh, okay. All right.
Damn, I mean, is it safe to short? Is it safe to short? What? Yeah, that shit is at 1,000, or it made a high at 1,000, 107,000 on Bitcoin. Oh no, never mind. I'm so used to Bitcoin futures. My bad. Bitcoin.
It's that high. Go ahead, yes, do your thing. 21. Yeah, I wish I could have hopped in the long.
Damn.
I wasn't really looking at the markets earlier
Mhm.
near the open. I hopped in long in the low 50s.
Your thing, 21. Do your thing. Yeah, I'm kind of debating, dude. I'm really debating if nah, I can't let you profit slide like that. I can't let them slide. I think they're gonna try to they're not gonna give me my 150Ks again because they supposed to renew today. Actually, let me see if I got them before I start talking shit. Because they're supposed to renew today, and I don't think they let them renew at that 190 price tag. No, it's not fair. No. But oh yeah, yeah, okay, yeah, yeah. Uh, this week is definitely for the longs. This week is definitely for the longs. I would highly recommend not shorting this week, and I'm gonna listen to my advice this time because I didn't do it last week. But the institutions are 62% long this week. 62% long this week. They definitely trying to catch up to that um to March's contract. So be mindful about your shorts. Don't get comfortable. I mean, we could see a pullback for sure. But once we get that deep pullback, man, I think we're gonna get a repeat from last week. That shit just keeps going, going, and going.
City, clap
Just,
city, clap, clap city.
yep. Says round two, clap.
Round two, clap.
Yeah, you profit deactivated all my accounts, dude. I think they did that to everybody, but they definitely will be getting an email tomorrow. and renew my goddamn 150K accounts because I specifically bought them for that purpose. So they can renew at that price. But then at the same
Yeah.
time, I feel like, dude, I don't know if they got the money to be paying like that. I don't know, man. They've been doing a lot of weird shit over there at You Profit, man. They're
Yeah.
doing a lot of weird stuff over there. So I don't know if I mean, I'm doing it because it's the principle of the matter. But at the same time, maybe I should let those accounts go because no, that's the principle of it. I can't let them slide off like that. Can't let them slide like that. That means that they'll get comfortable doing it. And I don't think they can do whatever the hell they want to do it. Man, like yeah, I've been kind of debating on that too, bro. I don't know, man. I mean, they didn't pay our boy gain weight, but at the same time, I mean, I don't know how I'm gonna break the rules on 150K. I don't think I'm not gonna risk $2,200 per trade on that. So I think the bigger accounts would definitely be a little bit easier to stay within their rules that they got. Hmm. So how long are you gonna give yourself? Well, actually, what's your goal on your small account challenge? You say you're trying to double it to 2K.
No. No. Dude. Double. Yes. This is a extremely small account.
Mm-hmm.
It's only $100.
Yeah. a hundred
Trading make
dollars. Yeah, you just
$100.
caught me off guard. $100.
$100. I told you. I told you it's small.
Dude, you better
It's
keep your tights.
$100
So then you traded one micro contract.
contract.
Uh,
Yes.
huh, huh. I think this week is the
So
best week of ever to do that.
$100.
I ain't gonna lie, you
$100,
caught me
bro.
off guard with $100 too. I thought you said $1,000. I was like, oh, $1,000, not bad.
So I text. I don't know if you seen the text. I texted. No, I said I'm taking this from 100 to 1,000.
Oh, all I saw was
Watch me
I
work.
totally disregarded the 100. I totally disregarded it. $100.
Damn, disregard.
My numbers start at 1K. And that's funny. I was like, oh, okay, he's starting out at 1K. That's pretty cool. I mean, that's how you're supposed to do it anyway. If these prop firms get expensive, I mean, you might as well just start a $500 account. I mean, if it's getting that expensive, I mean, it's the same thing. I mean, if you're a good trader and the accounts are $500, I mean, you might as well just trade your personal account with no rules. But didn't you say like they had like a withdrawal time period to where like it's like a like you got to trade for a couple of days and wait, and they made you wait like 10 days to withdraw your funds from Ninja Trader or something like that?
Yeah, they said it was to combat fraud or money laundering or something. Some bull crap they made up.
Yeah, that sounds exactly like some bullshit. Yeah, just keep your stops tight on that one, bro. Um, like I said, I really think that the most we'll probably get is about 72. I mean, I don't think we'll get past 85. We shouldn't get past 85 on because the market is trending. We're definitely in a downtrend. This market, I mean, is we kind of broken out of that downtrend. We broken out of it, but with all this bearishness moving to the downside, they're definitely going to try to come in and try to sell it right back down for the retest, and then the bears will probably get us up. So just keep it tight. I don't know where I should anchor this off of. Then that wouldn't make sense. We'll see. We'll see. I think we need some more information on this because I mean it doesn't look right, but yeah, that trend doesn't look right. I mean, unless they're trying to, this is a bigger trend, unless it's a bigger one.
These candles are low key. I may have to come back. Come back, see what London.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's probably what everybody's waiting on because I guess pre-market is only
Hourly.
sometimes. You said what?
Well, I mean, you gotta think it's Monday. We're going into Monday, so
Yeah, I like how those candles lined up. Like how that lines up. Yeah, I like how that lines up. Yeah, I think that's about right there. That's the channel right there. Okay. That looks about right. Okay. So yeah, the ES is definitely in a downtrend. Bro, just I think like 72, 73 is gonna probably be that top. And then we're gonna probably see a drop to finish down this rotation to test that 39, possibly 35, my bad. To test that low at 35, possibly coming down here to 32, 33. I doubt we'll see a move to 27, but 32, 33 will probably be that bottom. It's gonna probably run the liquidity right here, probably 2 or 3 points down. Yeah, that's about like 2 points down, probably like run that. And then we'll probably see that because I mean 85 is locked out. I mean we got that big drop from 85. This will probably be the pullback. Get the pullback. I mean, I'm thinking 71, 72, but 69, 70. I mean, they could definitely drop it there, but 'cause I know 60 was a wall, but we finally broke out of that. Finally broke above 60 on ES, 62. So yeah, I'll keep my limit where it's at, about 72. Like I said, bro, just be careful, man, around 72, because I know you say you're trying to shoot for 80, but you might not get it.
yeah, you probably won't get it. It's pre-market.
Yeah. Where you got your
Maybe
stop
it's
at now?
later, closer to freaking like 5. Mhm.
Yeah, that was a clean short at 88. Yeah, looking at this big move up. Okay, so the one thing that I'm definitely gonna stop doing is fighting trends. Like, I'm not fighting trends anymore, man. My trend fighting days are over. Cause I mean, these trends are not they're not regular trends anymore. I mean, the reason why I would short a trend is because I was going up into a previous area of resistance. So I'm just trying to catch a quick drop before the trend continues. But I mean, it's just easier just to wait for the pullback. So now my new rule for the ES. So now I got certain rules that I have with the ES, and I can only trade the Nasdaq and the Sim until I get a bigger account. I can these 50K accounts, the Nasdaq can take those out in one swipe. And the goal for my 50K accounts is to get um, my funded accounts because I only trade my funded accounts in ES, so I can keep it consistent since that's now the new tone. It's not like I can't keep it consistent in Nasdaq, but the Nasdaq ain't consistent. So one day it wants to bounce that support. The next day it wants to trade right through it, and then turn around and bounce that support after it clapped everybody named Mama at that support zone. It's kind of hard. I mean, you can wait. You can always wait for confirmation on Nasdaq, but ain't nobody got time for that. You can miss the move. You can miss the move on Nasdaq. Trying to wait for confirmation. Ain't got time for that. Hey, what's up, Alfred? Shit, our boy Alfred has been finding real good success in Nasdaq. So, I think what I'll probably my plan is once I hit up UProfit and tell them to give me my damn accounts, I'll probably trade the that swing account with Nasdaq and Bitcoin. I have $5,000 of drawdown, so I should be good with those and then once, yeah, I'll trade it like that in those accounts. But these 50K accounts are strictly ES, and I got to make sure that I follow the rules on these accounts. Give me a second. Let me put my daughter to bed. I almost forgot. Give me a second. Yeah, I definitely agree with you, Alfred. The larger accounts are definitely for Nasdaq because on the smaller account, because I have to be perfect, there is a lot of hesitation. But in the sim, you see how perfect them entries are and them exits are. Now that I'm not thinking about, man, if I lose this trade, that's half the account cost. Shit, you can hit $1,200 real quick on the Nasdaq. Yeah, the Nasdaq is definitely still in this super uptrend. This super uptrend. You can't get this thing to short for nothing. I mean, you can see that the Nasdaq has been respecting this channel beautifully. You can see that the bulls have been trying to tap and get above this trend channel and keep moving it up, but they definitely been riding this wave up. And shit, if they can get back up to the top of this channel, I mean, we can at least see about 2200. Yeah, we'll probably see 2200 for sure. We'll probably see that. If we drop though, Mm. Mm.
They don't got like a Twitch premium
I don't know.
where
Oh,
you
oh yeah. Okay, yeah. I can't do this, bro. I can't do this with you.
I just got an ad. Like,
This is
yeah.
like the fifth one in a row. I can't do this with you, Alex. Come on, man. I want to support, but I'm just imagine you in New York session and got 10 million ads hitting you. I can't do that. One ad like maybe every 2 or 3 hours. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
You said you have
Says
to subscribe to the
$80.
channel. You have to subscribe to the channel. Hmm. 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 Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, man. Hmm. Okay. So it does look like they're trying to double top it here at 820 on Nasdaq. I wouldn't trust it though, but it does look like they're trying to double top it. Even though we got a double top right here, I wouldn't trust that short, guys. You got the trend indicator going up. You got the 200 EMA well below price. So if it does dip down, it's going to get bought right back up. And you got all the EMAs well below price. Damn short. That ain't a real short. We can definitely get a drop, but they definitely gonna have to wait for, or at least I would wait for them EMAs to flatten out first before trying to take that double top short, because that ain't gonna work. And then honestly, I think I'm gonna change the way I trade the Nasdaq anyway. I think, like I said, I'm not gonna. I just probably wait for confirmation because last week, I mean, what trade did we take? We took this trade right here, man. I mean, even though we left 907, so we left about what 80, 87 points on the table with Nasdaq. We left 87 points on the table. We waited for the confirmation of this short. Once we saw that the market was trending down, We took that short and we still made 5K in this move. Was able to start off the position with 15 micro contracts. We had not even the best scale in position. Was able to scale in 15 more contracts down here and was able to take off everything here at 673 and made 5K in the sim with that trade. And we left 80 points on the table. And that's what I was kind of practicing all last week, kind of opening my eyes to think, or not to think, but to convince myself that, I guess all the professional traders are right, or the older traders are right. You don't need to catch the tops and bottoms. You just need to wait for the confirmation and you can make your money. But you definitely need to catch the tops and bottoms on ES. Nasdaq, you can get away with it. ES, I mean, nah. You definitely need to catch tops and bottoms on ES because depending on where you get in at, if you waited for this confirmation short right here and you got in at 51 and you was looking for 10 points, you didn't get your 10 points until the end of the day. And if you didn't take your profits at 10 points, dude, you got super clapped with that retracement. If you didn't have your stops trailing this.
Super clap.
Bro, this shit like,
Diddy
dude.
special.
Yeah, literally, bro. If you ain't get out at your 10-point target. She ain't came like, dude, she touched that thing like once or twice and then jumped. She jumped from 41 all the way and made highs at about 60. Actually, I caught this long. Oh yeah, I think this is the long at, was this the long at the end of the stream? This was the long at the end of the stream right here that we caught. And then I gave it all back right here like a fool. Like a fool. Because I wanted $60 more. I wanted $60 more. And then after she blew my account, she went back to my break even. I was like, dude, okay, fine. I'll stop gambling and trade professionally now. Fine. Since I can't have fun and trade the way I want. Fine. Fine. But it's definitely time, bro. I was talking to Smith before the stream. No more playing around. No more playing around. Next year is definitely this year was definitely the what would you call it? The test run, setting the foundation. But we're definitely going to start trading for real. Well, we've been trading for real this whole time, but no more of that self-sabotage crap. No more of the gambling, waiting for confirmation, being locked in on these charts, stuff like that. And taking the trade and not hesitating, because there's a lot of trades that I didn't take this year that was super winners, and because I didn't take those trades, I revenge trade. I tried to so as an example, if I caught this, like if I told myself, man, that's a double top, I should short this, but then I convinced myself to no, wait, it might not work, and then I saw that it worked. A lot of the times, what I would do was like probably like right here, I would go long, trying to come back up here to low key get my money back. Because if I took that trade, obviously it would have worked. But because I didn't take this trade, I'm revenge trading, trying to get that money back. But obviously, it's in a downtrend, and obviously, revenge trading is the recipe for a blown account. So no more of that. If I miss it, I miss it. One trade a day. If I lose $450, that's it. And that account, only one loss, one win, one trade a day, and that's it. We're gonna make getting payouts from these prop firms easy on this channel. My boy Smith said he's gonna grow his $100 account to 1,000. He can definitely do that shit. That's interesting. Yeah, that's exactly right. Yeah, that's exactly right, Alfred. Shit, like once you, I mean, shit, once you made that switch, you just been killing it ever since, man. After you made that switch, whatever you did, whatever you told yourself, you definitely been killing it ever since. Definitely. And you said Alex's new YouTube for Bookmap. Like, what do you mean by that? He has another channel, or is he talking about his Twitch channel? Oh, live Alex. Okay, let's look at that. So I mean, so what's going on? I mean, are they attacking him because he's using the Think with Bookmap name? Is that why he's being attacked? Yeah, he might be being attacked because of his name, because maybe people might associate his channel with probably the, I mean, who knows, man? No idea. Yeah. I mean, I saw a couple of people talk about that that one night that I was just up and I was just reading the chat, and I was like, yeah, I guess that could make sense because I mean, if I have a product and I'm not a, I mean, this guy is from Book Map's perspective, and we're thinking like, yeah, this guy's over here, he's using our name, he's making money off of streams, and he's not, giving us a portion of that when it's our product. I can see that. I can see that. Looking at it from Bookmap's point of view. And then on top of that, Alex is providing a lot of the subscriptions that they make you literally sell your arm and legs for. Because I seen the prices on Bookmap. That shit is expensive. I mean, Bookmap by itself is expensive. And then all the quote unquote bells and whistles that they put on this thing. And that is, yeah, that's expensive. So I mean, yeah, I can see it from Bookmap's point of view. I can see it. I definitely can. Nah. Yeah. Yeah. But I mean, as everybody was saying, he's not the only person that's doing it. So, and it seems like everybody else's channel is not getting attacked. But I mean, I don't know. I mean, for whatever reason, it's very interesting because everybody is showing the same product, but Alex's channel definitely has the most exposure. Maybe because it was the first one. Yeah, yeah, I think that's probably why. Because before, yeah, Alex was the only one that was streaming Bookmap on YouTube at the time. Or at least that's my assumption. That's the first one that I've seen. I didn't see anybody else do it. Okay, well, okay. So hopefully this will let me subscribe. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's interesting because even though when his chat went down, uh nobody went to I didn't see like, dude, nobody didn't go to any of the other thing with bookmap channels and start talking there. It was like either we speak in Alex's chat or we don't talk at all. Which I mean, as a Alex, I'm pretty sure he's happy about that, seeing that at least that he has a loyal community. Dude, I highly doubt we see a move all the way down there to 10. That would be crazy on the ES. Because they're trying to spoof the liquidity down there at 620 all the way down there to 610. I doubt it. Drop this scam. Damn, dude. All right. Yo, Smith, try not to be up all night with your position. The ES will have you up, bro. I know you
Yeah,
watching
I
that thing
closed
like a
it.
hawk right now.
I closed it.
Oh, you closed it
I'll,
already?
yeah, I closed it.
Oh.
Get in. I'll reposition. If they drop it, I'll reposition. It'll give me an opportunity to get at
Hmm.
2.
Yeah, was that a small little gap up? Is this a small little gap up? Hmm. They already kind of filled it up already. Yeah, they kind of filled that gap on the ES already. So, yeah, that was a small little gap up. All right, Alfred. Yeah.
Plus,
Go ahead.
I was just gonna say, plus we can get better price action tomorrow anyway,
Hmm.
or in the morning.
Yeah. Yeah, I already got my limit, and I can sleep easy with the limit on ES. She don't scare well, she don't scare me like that. I know where I can put my limit at 9 points. What does that be? Like 80, like 82-ish, 79, 80. I doubt it. I doubt that it'll get to 80. Yeah, I doubt that we'll see that. Yeah. I got my limit at 71. And if we do see that rejection at 71, 72, anywhere in that area, we're definitely getting a move back down. We'll see a move down for sure if we see that rejection. But if not, then we could. I mean, I don't know. Obviously, I mean, I'm just kind of speculating about what potentially could happen, but that is for sure that the Bulls definitely have to get it above this supply area right here before we can even talk about anything going long. This is definitely supply. I mean, we can see a move back up into this range right here. And if the Bulls can hold it, then we can possibly see the market start to trend. But that 35, 32 level on ES, I think the market wants to touch that before it starts to trend higher. Because right now the March contract is sitting at 132. So the market is definitely going to try to catch up to that. And it's super gapped up. Dang. Bro, I think shit. I should have traded the damn. I should have put some money in my personal account and traded this damn March contract because this thing is wild, dude. This thing gapped up. This thing closed at 47 on Friday and gapped all the way up to 132. That is crazy, bro. No, 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 no. Okay, never mind. That can't be right. This can't be right. This can't be right. This can't be right. Because I remember it being at least up here on. Yeah, the NQ's at 22,100 on the March contract. So we can definitely expect that. So we definitely do have a lot to look out for this week. I'm about to end the stream in a couple of minutes here. We're not going to get any good price action, so we might as well reserve our mental resources for tomorrow morning, where we can earn more money tomorrow. But before we do, let's look at the what we can expect this week. We know we got FOMC this week. So if you're in a funded account, make sure that you're aware of any tier one news that we may have this week. Obviously, FOMC, the rate decision, the conference, all that would be considered F1, tier one. No need to blow your account or breach your account. Okay. Yeah. So tomorrow we got some S&P Global PMI. I mean we could see. Oh yeah, that's gonna probably be like at 840, 845 ish. Yeah. Mm, okay. All right. So around 8:45 Central Time, we have the S&P Global Composite. We usually do see a volatile reaction. Nothing that really moves the market. It just moves the market back and forth. So but that's basically it. And after that, we don't have anything significant after that. We got retail sales at 7:30 on Tuesday. Um, yeah, but obviously the market is going to definitely be waiting on the FOMC decision. The market is. Where's that Fed tool at? Do I still got it up here? I probably took it off. Anyway, the market it has the last time we checked, I think it was like a 99% chance we're getting a rate cut next week. The question is, will we get a 25 basis point or will we get higher? But if Powell does not cut rates next week, if he comes back tomorrow or not next week and say that we're actually going to hold steady, we'll definitely see a move down. That is for sure. We'll definitely see a move down. We'll probably get a pop and then a nasty drop because that's not what the market is expecting. And that could signal fears that the Fed may want to start raising rates again if they don't cut next week. So obviously we should be prepared for anything. We should trade the reaction to whatever Powell's decision for the monetary policy is. But just keep that in mind. On Thursday, we got GDP. Yeah, we also have some earnings next week as well. Yeah, we have Micron earnings on Wednesday. So right after FOMC, we got Micron. It's a chip maker. They got their earnings on Wednesday, and we got GDP on Thursday, and we got PCE, which is Powell's preferred inflationary gauge, on Friday. So usually what GDP comes out, if GDP comes out good, then PCE is going to probably come out good because PCE is a part of GDP. So the reactions to GDP will give us an idea of how the market is going to react to PCE. And it's obviously personal spending and personal income. They're looking for. So, and on Friday we have contract expiration. I think it's quad witching on Friday. Yeah. There it is. That was right there. Yeah, December 20th next week. We got quad witching on Friday. All right, so that should be fun. So we definitely have a very highly volatile week next week. So you should be mindful of all of that. All right, I think that's it. We'll come back tomorrow morning, ready to earn some more money. Smith, you got anything else, bro?
Nah, I got nothing. Yeah, this is dead in the water right now.
Yeah.
That's just come back tomorrow.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to do. And that's exactly what I would suggest. We get that good price action tomorrow. But all right, guys, we'll come back tomorrow morning. And with that said, peace out, everybody.